What's up, guys? It's me, and today I'm going to show you how to make money from your phone in 2025. You heard that right. We're talking about 7 different methods that you can use to start earning some cash from the comfort of your own home or wherever you happen to be. And the best part is these methods actually work, and they're super easy to get started with even if you've never made a single penny online before. So, by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to start making money with your phone right away. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. So, let's dive in. The first method I want to share with you guys is to start your own blog or website. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This isn't something you can do from your phone. But trust me, with the right tools, it's easier than ever. Not only that, but it's also one of the most profitable side hustles out there. Plus, it's completely free to get started. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to find a good topic for your blog. Something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in will make it easier to write content on. Then, you'll need to pick a name for your blog. Once you have those 2 things sorted out, it's time to create your website. There are tons of free website builders out there. One of my favorites is Squarespace because of its ease of use and great customization options. All you have to do is choose a template and fill in your own content. After that, it's time to start writing. Post high-quality, engaging articles on your website. Share your knowledge and experience and try to provide value to your readers. If you're consistent with your posting schedule, eventually people will start finding your website through search engines like Google and Bing. They'll read your articles, and if they like what they see, they might stick around and become regular readers. Now, here's the best part. You can monetize your website in a number of ways. One of the most popular methods is to run ads. With Google AdSense, for example, you'll earn money every time someone clicks on an ad that appears on your website. Another option is to sell products or services related to your niche. For instance, if you have a blog about fitness, you could sell workout programs or nutritional advice. The possibilities are really endless. Let's take a look at a couple of examples of blogs that are making bank online. The first one is The Cut, a website that focuses on women's issues. According to various sources, their estimated annual revenue is between $13 and $19 million. That's insane, and the website's traffic is mostly organic, meaning they're getting visitors for free by ranking high in search engine results pages. Another great example is Morning Brew, a daily newsletter that delivers the latest news and trends in business and finance. According to reports, their revenue is estimated to be around $40 million per year. Again, most of their traffic comes from search engines, so you can see that starting a blog can be a very lucrative venture. And the best part is that with the right tools, it's easier than ever to get started, even if you're just using your phone. So if you're looking to start your own blog or website, I highly recommend checking out the resources mentioned in this video. You won't regret it. Alright, so the next way to make money with your phone is through influencer marketing. Now, this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with some hard work and dedication, it can definitely be a game changer. The concept is simple. You create content in your area of expertise and share it across social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. As your following grows, brands will reach out to you to promote their products or services to your audience. To get started, choose a niche that you're passionate about. Whether it's fashion, beauty, fitness, or something else entirely, focus on providing value to your followers and building an authentic connection with them. As your influence grows, you'll start receiving offers from brands to promote their products or services. While this method takes time and effort, the rewards can be significant. One great example is the influencer Madison Beer, who rose to fame on Instagram by sharing her modeling and lifestyle content. She now has over 5 million followers and has worked with numerous top brands including Maybelline, Adidas, and Levi's. So, if you're interested in pursuing influencer marketing, go ahead and check out the resources provided. Just remember to stay patient and consistent with your content creation, and you'll be on your way to success in no time. The third method I want to discuss is becoming a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. With the rise of remote work, the demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed, making it a great opportunity to make money with your phone. To become a VA, you'll need to identify your skills and expertise and then market your services to potential clients. You can do this by creating a website or social media presence and reaching out to businesses in your area of expertise. One great example of a successful VA is Amy Porterfield, who started her career as an event planner and then transitioned to working with clients virtually. She now has a thriving business and helps other entrepreneurs succeed as well. If you're interested in becoming a VA yourself, I highly recommend checking out the resources provided. They'll teach you everything you need to know to get started on your journey towards becoming a successful entrepreneur. All right, so the fourth method I want to talk about is becoming a freelancer. This is a great way to make money with your phone because you can work from anywhere at any time and be your own boss. You can offer your services to clients all over the world and set your own rates. Some popular freelancing platforms include Fiverr and Upwork, where you can create an account and start offering your services right away. One great example of a freelancer who's killing it online is Emma Lord, who started her career as a freelance writer and now runs a successful business helping other freelancers succeed as well. If you're interested in becoming a freelancer yourself, I highly recommend checking out the resources provided. Now, the fifth method I want to talk about is selling digital products. This is a fantastic way to make passive income with your phone, because once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again without having to create a physical item or ship anything. You can create and sell things like ebooks, online courses, templates, or website themes. Platforms like Etsy and Creative Market are great places to start selling your digital products. One great example of someone who's successful selling digital products is Tara Reid, who creates and sells website themes on Creative Market. If you're interested in learning more about selling digital products, I highly recommend checking out the resources provided. All right, so the sixth method I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission on any sales you drive. You can do this by creating content or social media posts that link back to the company's website. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you'll earn a commission. One great example of someone who's successful with affiliate marketing is Michelle Lee, who shares fashion and beauty content on her blog and social media accounts and promotes products through her affiliate links. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, I highly recommend checking out the resources provided. Finally, the seventh method I want to talk about is taking surveys and doing microtasks. While this won't make you rich, it's a great way to earn some extra cash with your phone. Websites and apps like Swagbucks and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer microtasks and surveys that you can complete for small payments. All you have to do is sign up and start completing tasks. One great thing about this method is that it's very flexible. You can work at your own pace and on your own schedule. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money with your phone, I highly recommend checking out these resources. And there you have it, guys. 7 different ways to make money with your phone in 2025. Remember, whether you choose to start a blog, become an influencer, offer your services as a freelancer, or explore other avenues, the key to success is consistency and dedication. So, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear which method you're going to try first. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.